The classic lever-action R92 has returned to the Rossi lineup. Modeled after the famous rifle that won the Wild West and became a cultural icon, the R92 combines the heritage of old-world design with new innovations and safety. The BrazTech Rossi R92 is a .44 caliber lever-action rifle. It features a stainless steel finish, a hardwood straight grip, and a stainless steel authentic curved butt plate. The R92 has a 24-inch octagon barrel for an overall total length of 41.5 inches. It weighs 7 pounds and sports a manual safety and a tubular magazine that holds 12 rounds for 12+1 capacity.
Rossi's version of the Model 92 is a nice shooting gun. 44 Magnum, stainless steel, steel butt plate. This is a ticket.